Welcome. Welcome to the live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Hope that everyone fully refreshed and ready for big trading week after the NFP. I'm also ready. If you guys are ready, let me know so that we can start analyzing. We can see that there is a breakdown on gold after the liquidity candle formation, and that's a massive one. If you guys look at it, you can see that there is a break of the structure and then drop, and that's a massive drop, and we secured 53 pip on that. Would like to see some more trade coming up along the way, and I would like to do the full analysis on gold as well as other pairs before we start opening any position like we do in our past session also. So if you guys are ready for this day, I would like to know that you guys are ready. Let me know in the live chat. So once you are ready, you can begin the analysis. So let's see where it is heading at the moment. Gold and euro dollar, British pound US dollar, GBP JPY, and before I begin this live session, also I would appreciate your support to the channel by giving a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet for more content ideas as well as the trade education in this channel. This is where you will find all the ideas as well as the content that will help you in your growth in trading. So let's first look at which instrument that you can look at, and then let me see what you guys are up to. Thank you for joining the live session. Ajibaya, welcome. Immaculate, welcome. Almaruf, good day. Good day. Hello, thank you. Ray, Rose, hello everyone, thank you. Thank you very much. Travis, welcome. Patrick, good job. Hello coach, thank you very much, appreciate it. Patrick, thank you for joining. Gazo, welcome. You're ready. GJ, hello coach, I'm ready, thank you very much. Welcome. Good day. Okay, so I see that all of you are ready. Let's begin with gold, and also we'll be looking at other instrument as well. Starting with gold. Now this is the trade just before the live session. In just a matter of couple of minutes, we have secured that trade as well. I will be also in depth analyzing the trade to see what's happening, why did I open the trade, what was the secret behind this trade, high probability trade, and then also we will look for what we can look for the next opportunity. First of all, let's quickly look at the daily chart on gold. Now from the daily, we can see that gold so far, last day of trading week NFP candle on the daily is a 50-50 doji. So basically we see a long wick at the top, long wick at the bottom, and this doji is what I would say that 50-50 doji. Now looking at the monthly chart to see the bigger picture. Now from the monthly, let me delete this panel here. We can see that from the monthly there is a rejection from the top. Now if we always need to look at bigger picture and then the smaller picture, and that's how trading is. So if we look at the bigger picture, the overall picture, okay, so on gold we can see that the overall picture from here on the monthly, it was in a very strong bullish market, and after this strong bull market, what we have seen that gold after the previous monthly close, this month the price has reached that top tested the high of this monthly resistance, and we can see there is a rejection at the moment. Now this rejection can lead gold to down further, or we might see bounce back up. Dropping down to the weekly chart, this is the weekly candle. What we can see that from the weekly, there is a weekly bullish engulfer, and that's a pretty big bullish engulfer on the weekly. If you guys look at it, you can see that this is the weekly bullish engulfer. And with this weekly bullish engulfer, what we can see that the market has formed series of high or low in that area. And after the weekly bullish engulfer, if we look at the daily chart, what we can see that from the daily, there is a daily doji. Now we can see that with this, from this resistance line, there is a rejection here at the moment. And with this rejection, expecting gold to come down for a deeper pullback, it might lead the price to drop back even further downside on gold. From the 4-hour perspective, here we can see the bulls tried to break the high. This is the NFP drop, and they failed to do so. So you can see the market currently below the support level. Because it has a breakdown, that breakdown might come with a bit of momentum here. We see there is a head and shoulder formation. And with that head and shoulder formation, I think that gold might now try to retest the support level here, okay, which is pretty strong support. And as the market has formed this head and shoulder, we could see that here on gold is coming back down to that support. Most likely we could see it's breaking below that level. So there is a probability, because we saw that there is a sudden strong breakdown, and with this probability on gold, we could see that it's, we might see it's coming back in that level here. So far we can see gold, suddenly we saw locally after the market open had a strong breakdown. And with this breakdown, let's quickly look at the euro dollar. We saw that the euro dollar, euro dollar just in the middle. I was looking at euro dollar. We saw there is a bounce on euro dollar suddenly, and okay, we'll hold it. Okay, let's go back to gold again. Now at the moment we see that with this breakdown on gold, this is a very important, you can say this is a support, okay, so which is a very important level of support, which is turning resistance here. And I think that if the market is going up for another bounce, okay, so if it is bouncing back to the upside, we might see potential downside here, which is possible. And if we find, you can see this is a pretty strong drop here. Another reason I was short on gold, which give us 53 pp negative. If we turn on the liquidity candle, there is, in this whole move, there is only one liquidity candle formation, which is our golden rule in our liquidity strategy. This is the strategy that we trade only in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, that really works. And you can see that this is the move. You don't need a lot of trade, over trading will never make you profitable, but losing what you have. That's why the strategy that I use, you see that in this, when the market trend, there's one here liquidity candle, okay, and there's one here the liquidity candle, both of them the smart money candle. If you love the smart money candle, then make sure you guys and girls stick till the end of this session. Also there will be a giveaway like we do every live session. There is one giveaway of the liquidity candle that also coming with the full lifetime access membership. So at the end of the live session, there will be giveaway one liquidity candle. If you haven't yet have got access to the liquidity candle, stick till the end. And if you want it earlier, we have few spots to take on the mentorship program where you can learn the strategy that I'm trading, and also you can get access to all the tools, including the liquidity candle. And with the liquidity candle that we have traded early today, I also posted an idea on the free Telegram channel. Guys, if you haven't joined yet to the free Telegram channel, you can find link below this video where you can see some of my best ideas that I share in the free Telegram channel. Also, I can share with you in the live chat. You can use that link to I have shared with you the free Telegram channel link. Join the free Telegram channel, stay up to date for everything. So with that said, you can see gold has had a very strong breakdown on the lower time frame. So let's see where now we can find potential entry opportunity. This is the 5 minutes here. The price action here looks like that highly bearish at the moment. With this bearish price action, look at the 1 minute even, you can see that on the 1 minute. So you can see this is the 1 minute chart. We'll see if we can find suitable entry. Okay, so here what you can see, okay, if we see that it's breaking above and then grabbing liquidity, we can look for potential selling. I think we might see the market breaking below. Could see potential downside. We see that the market in fact had a complete breakdown. So what is falling is likely to fall. That's the law of trading. If you guys are excited, let me know in the live chat, and definitely I would appreciate your support. I see the likes is almost 1/5 of the view, so YouTube algorithm likes it. If you guys likes it, they also like it, so make sure you give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support, and any question, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Welcome. Hi boss. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you very much. Hello. Welcome. Dollar Swiss franc. Good morning. What's the minimum equity to trade without facing account booming? That's minimum equity to trade. Minimum equity to trade depending on it's your situation. Normally minimum equity to trade is determined by the broker. You can trade is as low as $100, but depending on how you are doing the risk management. But I wouldn't consider at least $500 to $1,000 could be depending on, as I mentioned, your geography and all of them factors involved. Yeah, so depending on how you want to set your standard, but smaller is better. Trading on a smaller account is better, because especially if you're a beginner, then chances that you're gonna might be blowing your first account. So you might say, okay, I'm wishing you to blow your account, but as a matter of fact, first account is in the beginning, it happens. Okay, so that's why I keep it small. and learn from it, so that you can next one you can let it grow. Okay, not let it go, but let it grow, but at the same time let it go. Letting go is very powerful, isn't it? How do you let go? Let go equal to receiving, right? We think that letting go means that I'm letting things go away from me, but letting go is receiving. So how do you let go? Letting go is when you let go of identity. So that's how growth happens. In the beginning, as a trader, you see that we normally, most traders lose money because they are not very good at risk management, not good at emotional control, but over time they change and become better and better in trading by letting go. So this is what it is. So let go of what already you have, and then you become someone new to receive something better. We'll discuss more on that in the trading psychology part. So let's see in the meantime what's happening here. Now you can see that this is the 15-minute chart, bearish engulfer, pretty strong bearish price action. Okay, so there's a bearish engulfer on the 15-minute chart on gold. So you have seen pretty strong breakdown, and we'll wait for price action confirmation for further entry. Let's look at the 1 minute again. We can see that there's a massive downtrend at the moment on the lower time frame, and that if we see any break of structure, let's keep eye on the 1 hour chart. I think now we might see the market to drop back to this support level here. Okay, so which might be eventually coming back to this support here. Okay, we'll see that how we can find our opportunity. And on gold, let's quickly look at now on what other pairs are doing, such as the euro dollar and GBP/JPY and British pound US dollar. Looking at GBP/JPY as well. Are you guys ready for GJ? Okay, so with that in mind, if we look at gold, we see that it's keep pushing down. This candle on gold is a bearish engulfer on the 15-minute. For our selling level, we need to see 2408 level to touch or break. We can look for any kind of entry if we see the market is giving that that liquidity gap, because above this candle there is a lot of liquidity. Now, how do you know that, guys and girls, above this candle there is a liquidity? This is what I was talking about in terms of liquidity, and this is the strategy that we have traded early today to secure the trade. Let's understand from the theoretical perspective why there is liquidity. Why asking is very important. For those who have a very high level of intellectual curiosity, makes good traders. So if you think that you are a good trader, then yeah, practice being curious. How do you become curious? By asking questions. Okay, asking questions. Why? So what if you don't ask questions? That's also a very important question, isn't it? Not asking question is basically becoming not asking question is when you accept without question, right? And that's also very difficult, because unexamined life is not very happy life. Always asking question is very important. So when you ask questions in terms of here, why there is liquidity above this candle, and then you will understand how big boys thinks, right? When you want to trade like a big boys, though you either you are a big boy or a small boy, but you can trade like a big boy. How can you trade like a big boys? That's a very important question, isn't it? So how can you trade like a big boys? By trading their strategy, right? You don't have to big boys. If you have their strategy, you can trade like a big boy, right? Okay, now, and that's where it comes down to the strategy, having a strategy, which is, if you look at 2408, where above this level there's liquidity, and the price moves from liquidity to liquidity. So why there is liquidity above this level, and why it is important for you to know that? Let's see how many of you are coming up. Hello everyone, thank you. How far will it go? That's a very good question. Unlimited, infinite. So no one knows how far it will go. It just keep pushing up and down. So how do you know that where there is liquidity? What are the indicators that you can, or why it is important? Let's understand the mechanics of trading, right? And I started the civil engineering that I didn't like at all. I don't know if I hurt you really. I started civil engineering, and that's the worst profession that I can take. I was a bad engineer. The CGPA was not good in university. Okay, I had a couple of backlogs also. I failed a couple of subjects. Even a struggle to pass them. And sometimes I had a nightmare. I remember. I had a nightmare that even after I passed the university, I had a nightmare that I'm still failing in those subjects. So there is a subject called the mechanics of material, mechanics of blah blah blah, a lot of things, isn't it? So that's where that's where I love trading, is because mechanics of trading is what I love to explore and discover. And that's also the courage that I had to show to say goodbye to the profession that my parents want me to do, but the things that I love to do, right? So you'll see that. That's why in us, I'm sure that many of you are in that same trap. You are doing something because your parents or your girlfriend or boyfriend wanted you to do, rather than what you want to do. And it's very hard to do that, isn't it? But as a matter of fact, the thing that you're really passionate about is where you will excel, because everyone has come in this world to express himself or herself fully and unconditionally, and being unapologetically you is hard, isn't it? So, and that is why it is so important that you follow your intuition, your guidance, how you can become good at something. But I said that goodbye to the profession that I didn't like, because I didn't like. So I just say I didn't like, and I said goodbye to it. But many of you probably I don't recommend you to say goodbye to the things that you are doing, because I had to struggle a lot, because I prematurely left the job when I was not fully ready for it. So I would recommend you to, if you love trading, if you want to be a trader, then take time, keep learning and growing, and at the same time do what you are doing. So that's the safest way and easiest way. Okay, so, and with that said, I lost the track. Good day, thank you. What you are thinking about gold? I'm thinking about gold, that gold might continue to drop. The way we see that, it's a bearish price action. Thank you. We enter at 2421. 2421. Pretty big drop. We just secured here. I've secured with 54, 53, 54 pip profit, and that's enough. We could hold it for bigger, but I'm maintaining that high winning rate that we so far. Incredible winning rate. In August, so far, all the trade that we are winner. So I want to keep that winning streak on. It doesn't mean that we will win all of them. Euro dollar is running a little bit in drawdown, but I think that one also either will be closing. We are on a trade on euro dollar. I'm expecting this one at least to close break even or with some profit in it, because this 1 hour candle looks like that we might see potential bounce. So let's see, we'll be analyzing that one as well. But in the meantime, let's first see gold is breaking. And the question that I have asked about the liquidity, let's get to that point. It's a strategy, guys. It's not it's not something that you can learn in one day. Patience is key. But let's see why this point is important. Though the market might not go that far, but understanding it, that which is an important area of value that you need to look at. Because when the market had a drop, had a breakdown, for example, this one also, the 15-minute chart, which is a liquidity candle here. You can see this is a liquidity candle. And with that in liquidity candle, why this level is important? Because there are two ways. First of all, when the market forms series of lower high and form red candles, many traders who trail their stop loss, right, and bring all those order just above this candle, firstly. Secondly, now a seller's stop loss, okay, what is a seller's stop loss? Is a buy order. You can note that point. This is the most important information that you can find. A seller's stop loss is a buy order. All right, guys. So now, when a seller's stop loss is a buy order, what is the advantage of it? Buy order means that, let's say, imagine that your stop loss here, you sold here, and after the candle close drop, you gain some profit, and then you move your stop loss, trailing your stop loss, and then your stop loss is a buy order. That means that you told your broker that, okay, I'm selling, but if the market goes here, then I will be buying. Okay, so you are basically becoming buyer and seller at the same time. And when you were a seller, but you are forced to be a buyer, what does that mean to you? It means that involuntary orders more than the voluntary order in the market. Okay, so what does it mean again is that when you choose to open a trade, you choose the price and you open a trade. But when you are forced to choose to open a trade, there are more volume in it because it's an involuntary. So when you look at here, okay, and that's where your stop loss is basically your buy order, which is basically involuntary buy order here, though it's you choose to bring that here anyway. So you can think that way, because we mostly aware of our position that we are opening as a seller, but very few aware that I am also a buyer at some point. And now this is, okay, this level, which is your buy order. So when you are placing a buy order, someone else on the other side need to sell. Who is selling? Ask this question. So let's say you buy, you are a seller, but you stop loss. Let's analyze it properly. Your SL is, okay, is buy. So you need to ask this question like this. So your SL is a buy order. So that means that you are buying at this level. Okay, you're buying at this level. So if you're buying, who is selling? That's where the question comes in play. Who is selling? Big guy is selling here, okay? Big boys. Who is big boys? Those who are real mover in the market. And when they are selling, the market will drop. That's where the liquidity candle. That's where the strategy comes with the liquidity candle. Now, this not only this, we use some other factors that I cannot fully explain here. But for those who are learning the liquidity strategy, you know that what are the rules and all of them. And I would recommend you to review over and over again. And also, this is what it is, guys. Keep in mind, it's simple. Simplicity is the key to be profitable as a trader. And we can see the market, in fact, in that level is just keep pushing down and down. And we see that it's a bearish. Okay, and see where it is heading. That's a pretty strong drop. Weekly low. I think we might see a sudden drop here from the monthly. Start to drop. Okay, can expect, I think, the way the market dropping on gold, um, I think we might see pretty. Seeing a complete breakdown on gold support. Okay, if we look at the 5 minutes, we can see that it's a very strongly bearish market at the moment. And yeah, I would like to see what's happening. GBP in a sideway. Gold is trending. Gold trend is very strong. Okay, so what's happening with gold? We can see the pretty strong bearish price action. This is a very strong downtrend on gold. Look at the daily again. Yeah, that might lead gold to break the support because it has got a very strong rejection. Okay, so GBPJPY, let's see. In the higher time frame, we can see the GBPJPY also trending. The market trend is good. That's what we need as a trader. Trending market. we'll be doing also the full analysis on Gbpusd. I hear people say that where there is a liquidity, there is money. Johnny, in fact, it is. David, will you be doing live streaming continuously for a year? Please, could you explain a bit about how successful the signals are from your VIP group academy? David, very good question. So, firstly, will I be doing the live trade live for years? I will keep doing it until as long as I'm alive. This is what I love. And for the VIP signals, let me bring out the journal. So, what we do here is very clear. Let me bring out the journal. You guys see what's happening. Okay, so where's the journal? So today on gold, so to show our current results, we can see, you guys see this is the August results. So in the first week of the month, these are our current situation in our VIP group. And this our VIP member can endorse it. So Gbpusd that we opened during the JPY news, we gain 80 pip on that. Gold we have open 17 pip, and then gold another 145 pip, and then euro dollar 8 pip. This 42 pip gold that in the live session in our previous live during the NFP. Today on gold we gain 54 pip. Euro dollar is running. So let's see where, and at the moment we can see I would like to secure some new trade coming along the way. And in the meantime, anyone want to be part of here in the academy, you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. And just to share with you that though it's expired, we had an NFP coupon that was given in the past week. I think we still have few spots to take with that NFP sale, though the sale is gone, but I think few position is still available to join, so it might be ending. I can share with you that coupon for those who want to join, which is additional $300 off joining the lifetime access. Let me share with you, and I think as soon as I give, it might get used. So I recommend you to use right now. So this $300 NFP coupon, you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com and then use it on the lifetime access checkout right now, so that you can get access to so I have shared with you the website link as well. So you can visit the website and then use that coupon to get access to the lifetime access of the liquidity candle, strategy, VIP chat group. We have quite a few tools that you can use. Indicators, this one of my favorite tool that I use, liquidity candle indicator. Also you get access as a VIP member, including the one-on-one guidance for all the members in the academy. And in addition to that, I would appreciate if you smash the like button to 50. We see 36, so can you make it to 50? And absolutely appreciate your support to this channel. All right, so let's see. Okay, in the meantime, for those who have joined the academy, just letting you know, you can have VIP chat group, VIP signal group access, as well as you should have access to the website um, courses where you can have all the strategies in a complete guide step by step. For those who join, if anyone has not logged into the website, also let us know so that I can guide you to joining to get access to the website. All the courses where is the real trading strategies and everything is recorded there. So now we are looking at gold. We can see that there is a breakdown here, and after this breakdown, the market now, we can see here, this is the 5 minutes candle. Okay, so very strong drop here. One minute chart, I think still we can expect trend continuation because this is a bearish price action. I don't expect sudden change of trend. It's a very strongly falling market at the moment. Okay, so it's important to see when the market is potentially reversing here. Still we can see that bearish price action. It's tested the support here on the 4 hour. Okay, so it's already, there has been significant drop, and with this significant drop, okay, so lower time frame, we can see that gold on the lower time frame, we can see bearish price action, expecting it to drop further to the downside. Let's see on the GBP JPY what it is doing. Okay, guys, so we will be waiting for that price action confirmation. I think we might see short term if we see that potential reversal. I'll we take a 1 minute break. Coming back to you. We'll see you guys just a minute, and let me know in the meantime which one you are looking at. So we can see that there is a potential for some upside here. Potential. Let's see if that is coming true. This is the 1 hour. $15. There is a probability for short term. We see 5 minutes liquidity candle. I think that we might see some consolidation here. Let's look at the daily. This is a very strong drop on the daily. Okay, euro dollar has a bounce, pretty strong bounce on euro dollar after the 4-hour liquidity candle. We are on a trade which has gone to the profit area. Let's see what's happening with the euro dollar. Keeping eye on both gold and euro USD. So if you look at the euro dollar, the reason I'm bullish on euro dollar, there is a liquidity candle also on euro dollar on the 4-hour time frame, and that's the candle that we have traded. We have open position on euro dollar, which is still running, and let's look at on gold again. I'm just hopping from both just to see which one is at the moment trending. Euro dollar, what I was looking at here is looking to see the potential risk reward on euro dollar. It's still not opening, but just looking at, guys, and So I'd like to open a trade on euro dollar with a 2 TP. One is at 81 TP1. We will be securing some pip, and then we will be moving the stop loss at entry for 3 to 1. So with 2 TP on euro dollar, the stop loss gap will be around 23 pip. We are already running one trade. So for those who are running the first trade, that I would recommend you not to open another one. For those who are not running any trade, you can look to see, and depending on your interest and everything. Yeah, so just sharing with you. Now Euro USD. So 2 TP, one is at 1.0981. The other one will be at 3 to 1. So basically this is a 23 pip or 24 pip stop loss trade. So I'm moving my stop loss. So euro dollar, I am long. In the first move, we would like to see 16 pip move, and then we will be moving. We'll be taking the TP1 and then moving the stop loss at entry. I'll be explaining also the reason behind the trade, so make sure guys you stay fully connected. Like at the end of the session also we'll have a giveaway, so don't miss out. And yeah, so the TP2, that means that the second part, or you can open one trade and then you can close 50% here. The other 50% will be at 1.1033. Is what I do normally. I just take one trade and the other one the same trade, and then after the price reach there, I close 50%, and then the rest of the 50% moving for the bigger. Or you can open two position, half, and then one TP here, the other one TP here. Once this one hits TP, you can move the stop loss at entry. So yeah, I'm running little in profit, expecting 15 pip on euro dollar. So we are buy market on euro dollar, aiming for 50 ping, 50 pip. Aiming, how do I spell aim? AI. Aiming 15 to 16 pip on euro USD. So expecting it to go back to 1.0981. Are you guys with me? Make sure if you are with me, give a thumbs up, smash it if you like it. If you don't like it, also smash it, so that it encourages more and more traders to join the academy. Thank you for that. Just letting you know, for those who joined the program in the mentorship, make sure you get access to the VIP group where I share my trades with entry, stop loss, and take profit. And also you go through the courses on the website. So you should receive an email with website login detail for all the liquidity strategy and all the courses, advanced courses that I have recorded everything in my experience as a trader. So to get access to that, make sure you check your email for all the login detail. If you don't get an email, or if you miss that email, check your junk folder. Still, if you don't know, then contact us to give you direct access to the courses. This is the main goal here. Here we want to create trader. Every member coming in this academy, we want to transform them to become a consistently profitable trader. That's what our mission in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, to create a trading master. Do you think that you are a trading a master who can become a consistently profitable trader? When you say, you basically bring it to the reality, right? Because Ian will be looking at that. Hello, coach. Thank you. Coupon here, $300. Hi, Gbpusd. Yeah, we are on euro dollar, nearing to 15 to 16 p. Let's see where it is heading. Thank you very much. Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. Thank you. Turning point. Yep. Tell us more stories about trading psychology. Yes, this is what we do here. We tell a lot of stories about trading and trading psychology. Thank you. Gbpusd to $3 ground zero, how turning to backup. Thank you. How much do you have your account? If you are risking 1% of the account, regardless of how much you have in your account, you're risking 1% of your account. What is the logic behind your opening Euro USD? Liquidity is the fuel of the market. Trend is the backbone of the market. Price action is the organs of the market. These are the three most important part of the market that we considered in this Euro USD trade. And three is very important, isn't it? Three is the three corners in pyramid and the three most important part of a human being, right? What are the, if you want to recognize a human being, then you need to know this three most important part, or what I would say that part of one's identity, right? Thinking, feeling, and action. Okay, so three most important part of the market is market structure, not is are. I'm not from English speaking background, so I do frequently mistake in my grammar. I hope that you guys look at from this from acceptance, right? Acceptance is very important. Self-acceptance also the key to become successful in anything, right? Most people very worried about accepting themselves by others, but as a matter of fact, it's important that you accept yourself, right? When you accept yourself, the whole world will accept you. So euro dollar trade that we have opened is where the market structure is bullish. And also I have shared a very important idea about euro dollar in the I have posted also analysis that I have shared in the in the Telegram channel, the analysis on euro dollar. Yes, so I didn't share that analysis on the Telegram channel that I posted on YouTube, where I have clearly explained why I think that euro dollar is going to bounce back up, and it did that, isn't it? Yeah, so we see that. I share with you in the live, the free Telegram channel as well. Thank you. And in the meantime, thank you for joining. Thank you for all your likes and all your support to the channel. Gbpusd, how much do you have in your account? If you're asking, we will discuss that. Angel, so thank you for your appreciation. So now euro dollar, you can see that it is an inverted head and shoulder here, if you can spot it. So basically it's a bullish pattern, I'm expecting it to bounce back up to the upside, okay, to at least to 1.0981, which will basically, if we take euro dollar, not this one, so if we take euro dollar in our basket, then we will be basically winning all of this, all of them using the liquidity candle. Okay, did you like the music or should I change it? So here's some kind of pullback. I don't want to see big move. This is what we see. Okay, want to see euro dollar is trending in the direction that we are expecting to move back to 1.0981, so that we can secure some pip here in this live session and then running the rest. And in the meantime, traders, if you haven't joined the free Telegram channel, you can find link below this video. Also, there is a free trading course available for you to get access to. Join the you can get access to the free trading course, which is basically A to Z. If you are a beginner or even an intermediate trader, definitely this free course will help you to get in track, because this is the course that we made when we started the academy. It's a pretty beginner, like in the beginning of the academy, but it contains a lot of in detail of understanding. So you can find the link below this video. You can go to the description and access that free A to Z trading course. I would recommend you to go through it, and so that if you want to know the fundamental to beginning everything as a trader, how to calculate pips and all of them is there. So you can find link below this video. This is is to help. It's basically to help the community to learn and grow as a trader. And in the meantime, we can see gold has got another rejection. Okay. Basically, yeah, after the liquidity candle, another rejection. I think gold might, you can see there is a pretty strong breakdown. And should we go with the euro dollar? Yeah, we can see that. It's happening with the gold, and we can see that it's completely moving opposite direction of the trend on gold. If we look at the euro DXY, we can see a complete break on DXY, and that is basically moving the gold to the downside. Though gold is mirror, but sometimes they move in the same direction. We can see that there is a breakdown on DXY, and that is basically propelling gold, while we can see euro, because of the weakness on DXY, we can see that euro dollar is bouncing, which is good for us. We are on a trade on euro dollar. Are you guys with me? Okay, want to see here is a little bounce. Okay, wanting to see it's bouncing back to the upside on euro USD. Let's give some pip here. Target is for at least 15 to 14 pip, 16 pip. So my entry here in the second trade is 1.0967. So basically it's now I'm up 7 pip on euro USD. Are you guys enjoying the live session? How many traders trading this euro dollar with me? Hi guys, where is the link please for the free course? In the description. So if you want to get the link for the free course, in the description. And also there is a link for also the same broker that I'm trading. If you guys want to also sign up with the same broker that I'm trading, also you can find the link in the description. I can share with you the link in the live chat. You can use that link to sign up, and you can begin with a minimum capital. Even I would recommend you to start with a smaller account, so you can sign up right now and then start with a smaller account. Reliable broker that I'm trading, you can use that. So with that said, let's keep okay, here with the liquidity candle, euro dollar expecting to bounce. Why it's coming back again for a deeper pullback? Come on. You wanna see going to 1.09, 80 or 81 level? We most likely could see that. Are you guys with me? Do you think that it's gonna bounce? Okay, euro dollar. What it's trying to do? It's trying to break below further. So if it is next one is feeling the weak, Okay, wanna see that wick fill, and gold is just hopelessly dropping. No problem, we are not in any trade. We secured that massive winner on gold and wanna secure one on euro dollar, and then 2 trades winner for the day. We will be fine with one of you, all of you, the other one on the VIP. Okay, here is expecting it to bounce back up. Wanted to see that feeling that week. Just rolling it. Come on. Struggling to bounce, but I think ultimately it's gonna bounce back to the upside. So this is structure. Gold has had a huge drop, so I want to keep eye on euro dollar. First of all, you want to see this trade, how it is playing out. Things coming up in the live chat. And so I'd like to show how many traders are trading this with me. Can you say yes if you are on the trade? So I know that you are here. Okay. Bouncing back. Anyone here with the trade? Yeah, okay, so I see that. And then cooking, yes. Sophia, I mean. Amal, okay. Travis, was welcome. Jeffrey, yes, okay. David, welcome. Welcome. I see that bunch of fellow traders on the trade. Let's keep pushing that and secure some pip here. Thank you, Benji. Welcome. Okay, let's secure that one here. Some pip and okay, so 74. Let's push it to another 10 pip at least, or at least 6 pip. That will give us So our entry, trading with the trend is the most effective way to trade the market, guys and girls. Make sure that you always hold on to that. Trading with the trend is the most profitable trading system one can ever have. So if you love trading, make sure you always trade with the trend. So how do you know how to trade with the trend? By understanding the market structure, which is very important. All right, so this is the 1 hour candle, which is basically moving up to the upside and wanting to see it's breaking out of that resistance line. And if it breaks out, we should see some quick movement, and that will give us the TP1 hit, and then we'll see where it is going the next. All right, so we can see in the meantime on gold is just basically struggling from here to bounce back up. Okay, in the meantime, traders, did you subscribe to the channel? If you haven't done, you can do so. Every day you will find analysis, live analysis, which sometime getting very viral because of the live fresh analysis. So you'll find the analysis that I'm posting during the London session time and also sometime NY session time, and also over the weekend I do share some of the tricks and some strategies that will change your trading completely. So make sure you stay subscribed. And if you want to speed up and level up your trading, take your trading to the next level, to be one of the part of this trading community, you can also check out the link below this video in the description. You can visit the website. We have few sports to take. There is a lot to take which even not mentioned in the website. You can learn my strategies. I do share all my trade with entry, stop loss and take profit, and also you can get access to all my trading, what I'd say, the tools, as well as all my things that I use personally. I do share in the academy, so you can get access to all of them, including the liquidity candle strategy, liquidity candle indicator, as well as expert advisor, all of them. So to be part of that, you can check the link below this video in the description. Okay, here is we are up on few pip in this, and I will be letting you know what we will be doing. I want to take some few pip more. Our TP1 target here is 16 pip, 15-16 pip, and it's up to you. Either you can take the full or you can keep partial running, because I want to make sure that this pip is being hit. One more pip, I'm still on it. Also will be advising the VIP community with the running gold euro dollar trade. I'm taking profit on euro dollar fully. It's already 1 pip away. We can wait to hit, or we can take it. Yeah, I didn't take, it's hit by itself. So euro dollar 16 pip hit profit target. Okay, so let's update the journal. Euro dollar in front of you, that's a live trade. So euro dollar winner. Now if you are taking the TP2, you can, now what we will be doing is moving the stop loss at entry for the TP2. So basically for TP2, the stop loss will be here. Okay, so below this structure, which will be at entry. The rest of the half is basically the risk free. If it bounce back up, we might go the full 3 times on that. Updating the journal on euro dollar. So around 16 pip here. And this is the situation with our day trade. This in August. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 win in a row. Let's keep doing that. And I would like one of our VIP member to endorse it. So I'll have to make sure that everything is in the correct direction. We need gold trade. Yeah, we'll be looking at that. Thank you, Almaruf. Yes, so Almaruf is in the academy, so you know that. Patrick, welcome. Patricia, pardon me, Patricia. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Okay, let's look for the next opportunity. And also join the free Telegram channel. I do share some of my trade ideas before I open. When you are on the free Telegram channel, you can also stay ahead, stay informed, stay connected. For example, you see the euro dollar. If you go to back to the free Telegram channel, you see that these are the great learning experience that you will have if you are on the free Telegram channel. You can have access to some of my exclusive ideas that I share in the community. Don't miss out. Let me give you the free Telegram channel link in the live chat. Also, you can find it on the description below this description of this video. Okay, so let me share with you the free Telegram channel. I have given the link in the live chat. You can click free Telegram channel link and then join the free Telegram. So euro dollar. Also, let's look at what's happening with the gold. This is what it is, guys. I don't limit myself only to trade euro, only to trade gold or Gbpjpy. I keep trading the best pairs such as the euro dollar, GBP USD, Gbpjpy, gold, dollar yen, because keeping a wider option is better. Because the market, sometimes you will see that some instrument trade nicely. For example, you see Gbpjpy here a little bit in choppy. So euro dollar was trending nicely and we have taken that. Okay, I want to see that if you guys are still on the trade or have taken the profit. Did you take the profit the first half? You can share your experience in the live chat. Also, I will be now discussing why did I take the euro dollar trade, so that you can learn it. Before I go further, I would appreciate the like is almost nearly to the view. If it is, thank you. I see that it's going up now. Thanks for your support, and see if you hit that subscribe button yet. If you haven't, you can do so. That will help you to grow. Thank you. All right, so let's now look at awesome. Okay, let's now look at euro dollar trade. What did I look at when I opened the trade? Do you guys want to know why did I open the euro dollar trade? And then also we will be looking for Okay, now let's see what did I looked at when I opened the trade on euro dollar, and then we will be also looking at some other instrument where you can find our next opportunity. Now euro dollar, let's read my mind. Okay, what did I looked at? Let me bring that up. Okay, that time frame that I have looked at. When we are here, that's what I was planning for, that entry, right? Now, first of all, 70% of my trading decision that I take based on market structure. Guys, keep in mind that, you know, Nikola Tesla once said that if you want to know the secret of the universe, then you think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. So in fact, you know, he's one of the greatest inventor of all time. They knew that how the universe works, right? In fact, it is, right? If you go to the very fundamental level, if you go to the subatomic level, a quantum level, there's only frequency, vibration, and energy, right? So energy is in constant, in a vibrating state, and that's why it said that separation is an illusion, right? We think, because in Newtonian physics, if you look at a box, then you need to apply force. If you want to take, according to the Newton's law, if you want to take box A to the location of box B, you need to apply, you know, n amount of force to move it there, right? Which is the Newtonian physics, because it's a gross, we think it as a separate matter, right? And that's why it's so hard to navigate when we feel separated. But when you think in terms of energetic level, in the quantum level, there is no separation, because basically chair table, your body, tree, and air, all of them has that. If you go to that, break that down to atom, molecule, and then quarks, and then nothingness, right? That void is where there is always wave of energy, like, so that's where only the wave. And that's why the emotion is very important. When we want to achieve something, it's very important that we connect with our emotion, with the things that we want to do, is because when you emotion is energy in motion, right? Happiness, anger, or maybe sadness, or maybe joy, all of them are energetic state of being, that the emotional state of being. And that means that you are basically going to a zone of energy which is a higher in nature, and that's where you'll bring everything into your life. You're going to achieve easily, because you don't need to apply forces. You just become, and things become easy and easy. So in the market, there are three important components that you need to look at: market structure, liquidity, and price action. When you know that, it becomes like easy, like, you know, becoming, rather than applying forces. So if you look at this euro dollar, let's look at that here. Now what we can see is a bounce on euro dollar. This is what I have looked at when I open the position, is the liquidity, because in the back of my mind, also in the front of my mind, as I have posted the analysis early today, in the channel. Probably you guys have seen that, the YouTube channel. And let's see what's happening. This is the liquidity candle, and that liquidity candle also, there will be a giveaway of the liquidity candle at the end of this live session. So make sure guys you stick till the end of this live session. There will be one liquidity candle giveaway, but you can access more by joining today. So you can see here, this is the bounce with the liquidity candle, and that's why I was bullish on euro dollar. Now the entry trigger for this candle that we have opened is this bullish candle, because it already crossed one liquidity candle and then formed that inverted head and shoulder breakout with a strong bounce after this candle. I was very much confident that the price may go up. It doesn't mean that it will go up, it could come down. That's why I'm always very carefully managed in my trades. So make sure guys and girls, you also do the risk management is the key. No matter how good trader you are, there's a chance of deluding. Okay, I do these days. Okay, I also fall in trap sometime. Okay, thinking that okay, I'm very confident, and that's why I never deviate my risk management plan. Okay, this is where being humble or accepting the fact that anytime I could be wrong, anyone can be wrong, and understanding it will help you to understand that you need to do the risk management when you are trading. I hope that making sense to you guys and girls. If you are if it doesn't make sense, then make sure you smash the like button. If it makes sense, also smash the like button so that you are also notified for more content that will help you to clarify what you are not still understanding. It's very fair to not to understand in the beginning, especially the price action is confusing sometimes, but over time definitely you will be there. Just make sure that you always keep learning and growing as a trader. So you saw that the euro dollar, it's running, the second half is running with me. I had two trades, one closed, the other one is still running. I guess that you guys also having the same. So we see euro dollar is in that movement. We secure 16 pip on that. Let's see what's happening here on gold. Okay, gold, let's see what's happening with on the lower time frame. Okay, the 5-minute chart. So you see there's an inward head and shoulder. Let's see if it is preparing for a potential bounce. almost hit that order block. Very strong drop on gold on the daily, and from the weekly, but if we look at the monthly on gold, we still have room for further drop. The moment to see the lower time frame, after such a strong drop, I don't even think of buying at the moment. We might see short-term upside, but I don't think it's a good idea to go long at the moment. It's a very strongly falling market. Okay, so we are almost nearly to the end of this live session. There will be a giveaway. Wait, let's look at the giveaway. And in addition to that, also I would like to announce you that tomorrow onwards, we also will be coming on live in our Tokyo session. We will be resuming probably 3 days in a week or 4 days in a week. Probably on someday we may not be, but most of the time. If you guys are really want to join that one as well during the Tokyo session, that normally gives us more fuel for trading, to opening positions. And this live we will be starting an hour later. That means that in our previous time. And if you guys are happy with that, let me know. And that will be awesome. I think it was we are in a crash. What do you mean by you are in a crash? Okay, so before I start the liquidity candle giveaway, I would like to announce a keyword for the liquidity candle giveaway. And let me share with you the keyword on the free Telegram channel, or I can give it here. Anyway, no need to go to that. So let's look at the keyword here. And the keyword will be today also liquidity. So liquidity is the keyword, and if you write that liquidity, you're gonna be on the competition. So Paul, so you can write liquidity on the live chat so that I can you are on the competition, and then it will be giveaway. Stephen, Travis. So you can write liquidity on the live chat to be in the competition of winning the liquidity candle. Awesome. 7 eligible members. Let it go to up to 20. One member need to write once, because basically the bot will consider only one. So if you write many times, or one is the same. We got 11 eligible member for the liquidity candle giveaway. So basically, giveaway will consider a full lifetime access check for free in the academy, one mentorship program with the liquidity candle, everything for you, which is worth of $1,050 giveaway in this competition. So you can include your name. You can write on the live chat so that you are on the competition. Paul, thank you. Welcome. I see 13 eligible members. If anyone is still not there, you can write it. 13 member. Anyone else want to be in the competition? $14. So you can write liquidity on the live chat to be included in the competition of the liquidity candle giveaway. One liquidity candle giveaway coming with full lifetime access to Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So you basically need to write on the live chat of the YouTube, not on the Telegram. So basically you need to write on the live chat on the YouTube to be included in the competition. Yeah, so on the live chat of the YouTube, on the live chat of the live session. Okay, I see 16 eligible members, 17. Still, we have some time to take. 19, one more member needed to be included, and then we will be rolling it. Okay, so I'm rolling it now. Let's see who is lucky winner for today's liquidity candle. Paul McCartney. Paul is today's winner of the liquidity candle. Congratulations, Paul. So to claim your liquidity candle, please visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. Once you visit the website, go to the contact us page at the bottom of the website. Write your name, email, explain, say that you are the winner of the liquidity candle, and we will be sending straight back to you in your email. Congratulations, Paul, for today's winner of the liquidity candle. With that said, it was a great session with all of you. Another successful session with a pretty successful trade on euro dollar, with a summing up to this August. So far, these are our journal. Let's keep trading and staying up to date. And also, before I leave, as you know that we had giveaway 80% off in our lifetime access joining in the NFP. I see there is still few spots left. Probably this tonight it's gonna be ending definitely, because the spots is only few left with that 80% off. If you haven't joined yet, I can share with you the coupon. You can use it right now, because as soon as I share it might just taken. So make sure you use it straight away. I've shared with you the coupon in the live chat. Just on the website, use that coupon on the lifetime access checkout, and you will be able to get another additional $300 off. And it's today the coupon will get expired. You can use it right now to be part of the trading community for the rest of the life. So with that said, thank you, and yeah, good to see you that guys. We'll see you again trading live together tomorrow. I will be coming on live an hour later from what we have started today, because we will be also starting another live session during the Tokyo session for an hour. So there will be 2 lives like we did in the past, so that we can cover different time zone, because my main goal here is to help every trader around the world. Thank you, and I'll see you soon trading live together.